Hey, y'all.
Hey,
Come closer.
come closer.
Listen, y'all, Donald J. Trump birthday is coming up on June the 14th.
That's right.
And if you remember a couple of weeks ago, I said I want everyone to donate $125 to his campaign by going to his website,
Yes.
www.donaldjtrump.com. Now, I see a lot more other things popping up to donate here, donate there. I don't trust any of that.
None of them.
I don't trust any of those sites.
That's
I
right.
only trust one site.
That's
And
right.
that's www.donaldjtrump.com.
That's right.
So you want to go there to donate. Now, I know some of you all are saying, well, Diamond, what if I don't have $125?
Whatever.
Well, donate what you can.
That's right.
If you can donate more, donate more. If you don't have more to give, donate what you can.
That's right.
This is for our future president's birthday.
That's right.
Listen,
Listen.
go and spread the word and let everybody know what we're doing.
Yes.
Do not let Donald Trump know.
Don't let them know.
Don't tell them. Just keep it to yourself, but let everybody know what's going on, okay?
Keep it on the down low.
www.donaldjtrump.com, and we're donating this on June the 14th, 2016.
That's right.
Okay? I'm just checking in to give y'all the 411
Yes.
or the 211.
Yeah.
And it's the 211 because it's the two of us giving it.
And we the ones giving it to you.
DonaldJTrump.com. Love y'all. Bye.